Just a real quick fun fact, 85% of seamen during the transatlantic slave trade were said to be of African descent, according to T.J. Dish-Obi's book, Fighting for Honor. The history of martial art traditions and the Atlantic world, I believe it's called. Very interesting fact. Look at pages 181 through 183. The beginning, around page 11 or 12, which are also symbolic, I've noticed, whether meant to be otherwise. They talk about the admiration of potential wives. There are several fights that are mentioned between oppressors, such as Pharaoh, the people who think like that at least, and other men. So at the end of the day, Makakao versus Koda isn't the only match in the book or in history that proves my point. I have no problem, and I respect my white brothers. I love my Jewish brothers. I love America and the true American spirit. And so don't let the reason you don't believe me be some bitch-ass serpent shit that see through the flesh to the spirit. And you know who deserves it.